Hi everyone, I'm doing a review on the Macintosh tart for the Yankee candle. You're supposed to use this in one of those burners, tart burners, and it looks something like this right here. It's kind of messy if you don't find the right size. But it smells pretty good. It's actually pretty strong. It doesn't really smell like apples. Smells more like mango. But I'm really satisfied with the scent because it's actually stronger than some of the candles I've actually tried to burn. So I'm really happy that I invested in this. Go ahead and try it yourself. You gotta get a tart burner. Remember, okay?